So for this game, Andy bets $10, and if he gets an even number, he's gonna lose the money. If he gets an odd number, he's gonna receive some money. That's the question mark. Some money he's gonna receive. We don't know how much money he's gonna receive. He's giving $10, but maybe when he wins, they will give $100, maybe $11, maybe $5. I have no idea. It's just some money. So what is the question? And Andy makes a statement saying that if I get back $10, this is a fair game. So I don't know he is right or wrong. So that's what I'm going to find out. This is one single game question. So what I need to do right now is find out what makes this game fair. So we're going to find out the rules that's going to make this game fair. Not for player's advantage, not for player's disadvantage, but we need to find out what makes this game fair. So let's go to the next page. So first, let me copy my formula. Okay, now I'm gonna write down my mathematical expectation formulas, and I'm gonna do this as many times as I need. Probability for the first rule. Probability for the first rule. If an even number is drawn, if an even number is drawn, how many even numbers we have between 1 and 10? 5. So we have 5 even numbers. Out of 1 and 10, how many total options we have? 10. And now that's the probability. The win, let's talk about the win. How much money I'm gonna win? Tell me. Nothing, my friend. You're gonna win nothing. So I'm gonna write down nothing here. Subtract the money I lose. How much the bet money? This is not a question with this example. We know it. Okay, now let's talk about the second one, and that's all I have to do. Just I have two options here. If an odd number is drawn, now it's the same probability, odd number. So let me pull this everything here. If an odd number is drawn, that means 5 out of 10 options. Let's see how much I'm gonna win. The player will receive some money. This is your X. We don't know how much money we are talking about. This is your X. Subtract your loss, which is $10. This is a mathematical expectation that we need to find out what makes this game fair. Everything is equals to 0. Now let's work on this. Brackets first. 5 divided by 10. Brackets is, in this case, 0 minus 10 is plus 5 divided by 10. X minus 10, I am not going to do anything there. I'm going to keep it the way it is. So everything's supposed to be 0. Let me continue. 5 times minus 10 will give me minus 50 divided by 10 plus 5 times x. In front of x there is no number, which means 1. 1 times 5 is 5x, and the negative sign just comes from here, minus 5 times 10 is 50. So everything is divided by 10, so I'm just going to make this longer. Everything is divided by 10, and that is equals to 0. And now division is 10. I'm going to send this to the other side. and I need to multiply this time. It's a division, and anything multiplied with 0 gives you 0. So what I have left is this, minus 50 plus, hold on, there is a mistake I have done. This is 5x. Don't forget the letters, just like me. If you forget, you're going to have headache later on. So 5x minus 50 equals 0. So I see those are just regular numbers. They are both apples. This is the orange. It's different. It has x, but I have two same kind of numbers. I'm going to put them together, which is minus 100 plus 5x equals 0. Almost done. The minus 100, I'm going to send this to the other side of the equation, which will make it 5x equals, I'm going to change the sign, 100. And in this case, to leave the x alone, divide both sides by 5. X will be 20. So what I find out is what makes this game a fair. So Andy bets $10. So receive some money. If you give me $20, this is a fair game. If you give me $19, this is not a fair game. If you give me $15, this is not a fair game. Give me $10, this is not a fair game. So anything more than 20 is player's advantage. Anything less than 20 is player's disadvantage. Now I'm going to look at Andy's statement, and he says, so when I win, you give me $10. This game is player's advantage, more than $10. That's not correct. This is a false statement, because you give $11. That's my player, for me, player's disadvantage. $12, player's disadvantage. $19, player's disadvantage. 20, it's a fair game. 21, yes, now we are talking about player's advantage.
21.
$21.